Hello guys, Jim here from I Am With Jim again with another Cryptohopper video. In today's video we are going to be backtesting a trend oscillator short-term swing trading strategy that I found free inside of Cryptohopper's marketplace. So, how do we backtest? Well, I've already configured the strategy and I'll bring you the configuration in a later video today. So today only I wanted to show you the backtesting tool inside of Cryptohopper, which is there, look. Alright, so what we do is we load up our strategy, we configure it, and then we click onto the backtesting here, and then we come down and we load our strategy here. So we find it there, and then we make sure all the settings are about the same. Yeah, load existing config, and then we click on backtest. Alright, so what coin am I going to try on? AGIX to begin with. I'll pause the video recording because this takes about a minute and a half, and I'll activate again once the strategy has tested and we have the results over here. Alright, it's just finished. Here's the backtesting results. 197 successful sells, 80%, 80.41%, and 48 losses, 19%. So that was with the stop loss switched on. That's 3.5%. And that was over between 1st of February there and the 22nd of February there. So that's what it's a 3-week period just about. Now, I've just been reading the comments, the reviews on this strategy here. It's this top one here I've just read. On my backtesting, look, no need for stop loss. On my backtesting, I lose a lot when stop loss enabled, but I do much better with same config if I disable stop loss. Alright, and the reviews, let's have a look. They all seem to be positive reviews, mostly 4.5 to 5 stars, which is pretty good in my view. Back to here. So I'm going to switch off the stop loss and I'm going to rerun that back test, and I'll stop the video, and when it's finished in at 2 minutes I'll start the video again. Nice. As we can see, the max profit was 11.06%, and it had 244 successful trades, 100% wins. Alright, and that is basically because we switched off the stop loss. Now, would this work on a real account? It depends on the trend of whatever that coin has done. I mean, this is quite hard not to make money with any strategy, isn't it? As you can see there, it's done nothing but gone up. The only downs is there and there and there and there. So yeah, it's quite a good one. So in my next video, which I'll make after this one, I just wanted to make this one separately to show how to do the back testing. Let's do one more coin, see how it does on another coin. Let's find another one, a random one. I'm just going to scroll up and down. Cotty. Alright, so let's try this one and bring you the results on that in a minute. Oh, I just noticed as well, I didn't know what this said, so I just triple clicked it and translated it. Good base strategy and allows you to adjust some parameters. Highly recommended. So that's a good review. Alright, so let's try this one on Cotty, and then I'll end this video. And guys, don't forget the secret sauce available in the link below this video. Sign up for Cryptohopper using that. Doesn't cost you any extra. You'll get my secret sauce videos. You'll get help from me on Skype and Telegram, And also, if you use Jim Cryptohopper, all caps, as a coupon code, you'll get a discount on your first month's subscription. So let's start this back test. I'll pause the video while it's recording, so you don't have to sit and watch it for 5 minutes, whatever it takes. Alright, there it goes. I'll just pause now. Back in a second. Alright, that's just finished. Took about 2.5 minutes. Alright, I've noticed this one's had some losses, even though the stop loss was switched off. And what I think it is, let me just find the losses. Hang on, scroll. These are the results over that 3-week period. You'll see some little red losses. They're only small, but I think I know what they are and why they happened. Come on, there we go. You see the ones in red there? Now that is not a stop loss, that's the trailing stop loss. It's been activated at 3%, alright? And then if it drops to if it drops by 1.5% down to 1.5% profit, it sells. However, in these cases, it's dropped so fast. It's come up, it's activated the trailing stop loss, and then at some point the price has dumped really, really fast. Too fast for the bot to catch. And it's called slippage, is that. It happens even if you're trading manually on an exchange. That can happen. So that's unusual. This must be a particularly volatile coin, Coty. Alright, but mostly wins. Look, the best one I've seen so far, there's 10.10, 10.07. I'd accept that. 203 trades over 3 weeks, 94.42% win rate. Losing 5.5%, that's nothing. Plus, don't forget, guys, there's a thing that backtesting doesn't account for. It doesn't account for DCA. Right? It doesn't include any DCAs. It's just, you know, straightforward, buy something, wait for it to get into profit and sell it. Yeah? Pretty cool. So, I'm going to leave it there. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up this strategy in your paper trading bot. As you can see there, I've got it set up in my paper trading bot. Alright, I'm going to show you how to set it up in my next video. So I'll just upload this onto YouTube. It should be up soon. Well, it should be up right now if you're watching it now. And I'll get back to you in about 2 or 3 hours with the next video. And let me remind you guys what to do to get Cryptohopper through my link. Alright, any of my Cryptohopper videos, they'll have a link there. If you click that link, it will take you to this page. That page will load. There's a little video, 2 or 3 minutes long. It tells you how to contact me on Skype. Yeah, I don't give my Skype out on YouTube for the public. I don't want scammers and spammers to find me. You know, random people saying hello, you know, and trying to get money out of me, etc. Alright, so that link there, Cryptohopper, TradingView is there, Binance there. I'll put another link for KuCoin and another couple of exchanges that are supported by Cryptohopper. Watch that video, it tells you my Skype, add me on Skype, get Cryptohopper with this link, and when you get Cryptohopper through my link, let me find that image. There you go. I made a nice image for my channel. Alright, use coupon code JimCryptohopper and you will get a discount on your first subscription. Alright, does that sound cool? And you will also get access to me on Skype and Telegram. So you get the secret sauce, Skype and Telegram access, and you'll also get a discount on your first subscription. Alright guys, I will see you in the next video a couple of hours from now. Bye bye.